In this short video, I want to tell you about Russia's 2000 rubles banknote. It's a very beautiful one. It was issued in 2017. And its dimensions are 157 on 69 millimeters. The predominant color of the note is blue. The front of the note features the Ruski Bridge, a cable bridge in Vladivostok that connects Ruski Island with the mainland territory. The top left corner of the front of the note bears the coat of arms of the Russian Federation. At the bottom, there is a QR code that contains a link to the website of the Bank of Russia. The link leads to the description of the note's security features. I've never seen something like this on any other banknote before. If you did, please write me in the comments below. The back of the note features the Vostochny Cosmodrome. And in the top right corner bears the inscription 2017. The year when the note was issued. The note is printed on white cotton paper. Related to security features, we will talk about it in the next video. Please subscribe and hit the bell button so you will not miss any of my upcoming videos.